So that's why I think that there's an opportunity here with Profit. I've done some of my own experimentation. I'm not going to talk about the data that I was using, but I think that it is possible for you to take this and maybe develop something that maybe not a lot of people have seen before. Maybe there is an opportunity for a product here, right? Because there's, just not enough being done with time series. Right? Time series is not easy. There's not a lot of people you're going to find that specialize in time series, right? Some people, in fact, can maybe be a little intimidated by time series. So that's why I want us to focus on Meta Profit, and hopefully it'll give us something that, people find interesting. Okay. So what else do we need to do here? So if we know that we're curious about Meta Profit, what do we need to do, right? Because remember, whenever we're talking about libraries like Meta Profit, Scikit-learn, learning Python in general, neural networks, all of these things, these are just tools, right? But we have to know how to work with them, right? How to actually utilize the tool. A wrench is only as useful if it's in the hands of a good mechanic, right? And the mechanic has to understand that wrench. So that's what we're going to do a little bit today, right? So the things that I want to know when I'm approaching this is, I want to know, one, how to get started with the library. Two, how can we, oops, excuse me, I made a mistake there.